So I want to do a quick video, and as always with my videos, this is totally impromptu. I was just sweeping this morning and said, I need to do a video about this. And my videos are never to brag or show off or anything like that. All I do is just try to share ideas, share knowledge. But we got a fire marshal visit, and it went excuse me, it went very well for us and not very well for the guys next door. And I wanted to show you one of the things that made it go so well for us. Our shop was clean, and I don't know, I got here at 8:30 this morning because I had to go dump some stuff this morning, and so nothing was done to prepare for this video and make the shop look good. In fact, if I did, I would have cleaned this up. I do need to work on that. But this is how our shop looks every day. Obviously, when we're running things, there's dust. But what we do is, first of all, like yesterday, I got the shaper set up, made some test cuts, and then I swept it. And I made some saw cuts and I swept it. And what we do is every Friday we have what we call Tidy Friday. And on Tidy Friday, we take a leaf blower, and that Milwaukee leaf blower is a champ, by the way, if you're looking for one. We blow the tops, bottoms, underneath. We blow the lumber stacks off, all the benches, the plane rack, the tops of all these underneath. I blow under and through all the tools, and we turn on that big fan, aim it at the door, and we blow it out and blow all the dust out. Then we let it settle, and we do it again. Then we let it settle, and then we sweep and vacuum, and we get all the corners and crevices. And every Friday we do that. Every day, every single day, along with cleaning after we use the machine. At the end of the day, we sweep. If we're in a hurry or whatever, we do a quick sweep, but we always sweep. We always make sure we clean up. And this is a professional shop. It's not a hobby shop. And we are making sawdust. That is the parts for 13 doors that we're building. This is the veneer press where we're veneering the parts before we put them together. And so this isn't just a hobby shop, but we're able to keep it clean. Now, we're looking for a bigger bandsaw, although let me just tell you, this Rikon 3 horsepower professional is a champ. We've abused it and it's held up, but so we went to look at this guy's bandsaw, and I'm not kidding. His shop had an inch of dust. An inch. I'm being literal, whatever. It's dust that thick on the floor. You could not see the floor. Every machine had dust on it. And I was like, dude, how do you work in this? So keeping it clean not only is good for organizing, it keeps your mind clean. So when you're building things, you're in a frame of mind that you're building quality, beautiful things, and you're not working in a pigsty. But I just want to get quick back to the fire marshal visit. So we had our fire inspection. It went beautifully. But the guy next door, I think someone called in on him, and I think his competitor reported him. But the guy came and he went straight for the neighbor over here and shut him down, wrote him a whole page of violations. And to be fair, he had some things that were not right, and I don't dispute that. But so the inspector says to him, literally said, okay, now I'm going to go next door and F with those guys a little bit. So he came over here thirsting for blood, and immediately I showed him our flammables cabinet. I showed him our procedures. I showed him that every garbage can is metal, so that if we do accidentally throw a rag away and it catches on fire, it's likely to be contained. We have fire extinguishers, we have the signs, although I'm gonna pick on Mark. Mark did this, and I'm like, Mark, those need to be up there, not there. But anyway, and I need to fix it, so I guess it's on me too. And the guy was like, I've been doing this for many years. I've never seen a wood shop this clean. He said, how long have you been in business? And I told him, and he goes, how do you keep it so clean? So I explained our cleanliness process, that we have every Friday, everything gets blown out, dusted, swept, blah, blah, blah. Every day we sweep and we clean up. And he had no issues. He claimed that we needed a license that is actually for large manufacturers. I didn't dispute it. The license was $25, and he said, just go down there and fill out the app and I'll approve it. So we got this special manufacturing license. Sorry, I'm picking up a broom here. That I don't think we needed, but okay. But my point being, he came in here wanting to just flex, and he left out actually talking about woodworking with me. And so shop cleanliness, it's really important, not just for safety, but also for your mind. You know, you want to be happy when you come here. You don't want to come to a pigsty. And it's also important for when you get an inspection. Like, even if we had something wrong, when they see that it's disorganized and I have a flammable cabinet and I've got everything else right, they're gonna say, okay, look, you know, I don't know, maybe you have a fire extinguisher obstructed or something. They're just gonna say, yeah, fix that and you're good. But when you look like crap, then they're gonna assume that your safety is crap. I'll put it that way. But anyway, I'm just going to close by saying nothing I say is ever to brag or show off. As you guys that know me for a long time know, I started woodworking in my kitchen, and it's grown to this. But I like to share knowledge, share ideas, and today's video is just set a day where you clean your shop once a week, and always clean up after you're done with the project. And it's gonna take time, and you're gonna think, how am I gonna get this done? But you're gonna realize that you save so much time not having to trip over stuff every time you go to a machine, or not having to look all over for something because it's buried either in dust or stuff. So Tidy Friday, that's what this is about. Thanks.